good weather for us, nice
Yeah.
and warm for a little bit, and then things are going to cool off.
They're going to cool down big time, it looks like, early next week. Still have a few more days, though. If you like this sort of Indian summer weather, Steve and Tisha have 2-3 more days at least before things start to change. And, of course, Sandy lurking down there in the Caribbean Sea. More on that in a bit. But what a delightful day again across the region. Live look with our First Alert weather station at RDU Airport. A few high clouds overhead. Otherwise, sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 70s. Can't beat that with low humidity. Clean sweep there on First Alert Doppler XP. Another dry evening coming up at the airport now. Temperature standing at 79. Pretty warm for mid to late October. Humidity low, though, at 38% and a southwest wind at 6. Temperatures very nice. All mid upper 70s now. Roxborough 77, Fayetteville 79. Everybody between 75 and 79. And the warm weather extends all the way to Kansas City, where it's 80. But there is some beginnings of chilly air in the upper Midwest or northern plain states. It's going to take a while for that to get here. We're going to bask in these 80-plus degree temperatures for a few more days. Now, they've been sunshine today. There were a few clouds, a few patches of fog this morning, but otherwise sunny skies and very tranquil weather across much of the country. Some harmless showers up through New York State, back into Wisconsin and Michigan, but those are pressing eastward. Nothing out to the west to bring us any rain. So we're dry tonight. May need a jacket by very late this evening into the morning hours tomorrow, but temperatures milder than this morning. We were 46, about 50 this morning in the Triangle, 52 Fayetteville, but outlying areas in the upper 40s. Back to sunshine tomorrow again, full sunshine, a few high clouds again, but a beautiful day, 80 to 82 for afternoon highs, very uniform readings. Let's put our AccuWeather Predictor forecast model into motion tomorrow evening. Again, high pressure over us. You see a few showers associated with Sandy beginning to spin onshore into South Florida. The thing about Sandy, as it becomes extra tropical and loses its tropical characteristics, two things will happen. The wind field will expand, so even our Outer Banks could see some gusty winds if the storm passes a few hundred miles off to the east. And also the rain shield will be pretty large north and east of the or west of the center, so even some showers will be possible on our coast. Here's Sandy. This is Thursday. Probably still a tropical system then, but by Friday into Saturday, it's heading northward here, and even a few showers, very outer bands on the coast possible while we have dry weather into Friday. This is the cold front and trough, which should help kick the storm out to sea. Here it is Friday, very close to the Florida coast, but then heading off eventually after that Saturday into Sunday off to the northeast. Now, this particular model shows Sandy here in the circle, what's left of it, pushing to the north instead of the north and east. One scenario is that Sandy still passes well to the east of North Carolina coast, but instead of curving out to sea, the extra tropical storm or ocean storm, even basically a nor'easter, what's left of it, is still powerful, but has become more of a nor'easter, heads into southern New England and lashes that area with strong winds and rough seas and potentially, believe it or not, in colder air in the Appalachians, some heavy snow. So a tropical system will change into an extratropical storm potentially and could bring winter weather off to the mountains to the north of us. Isn't that amazing? There's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. For us, we'll be watching Sandy, but it now looks like we'll just see a few showers Saturday, breezy, cooler Sunday. We stay warm and dry until then, and by this time next week, potentially staying in the 50s for highs, and may see our first frost or freeze of the season by the middle of next week.
A freeze.
It's about that time, too. It's climatologically the 1st of November, very late October, so we'd be right on schedule.
Right on track.
That's right.
Thank you.
That's right. All right.